Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the second problem of exercise 3.1 from the linear equations in two variables chapter. So let's get started with the second problem. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So they have given us that a cricket coach buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees, and another bat along with 3 balls for rupees 1,300. We have to represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. First, let's represent it geometrically. So for that, let us take the cost of a bat to be rupees X and cost of the ball to be some Y. So from this we derive the equation that is given below. Say 3x plus 6y equals to 3,900 and x plus 3y equals to 1,300. This is some equation 1. Now let us take x plus 2y equals to 1,300 by taking 3 common from this step. And here you get x plus 3y is equal to 1,300 itself. So this is some equation 2. So let us take some points on the line from equation 1 and equation 2 and plot them on the graph. This is the geometrical explanation. We have finished the algebraic explanation. Moving on to the graphical explanation. So let us take some points on the line. 3x plus 6y equals to 3,900. So the x coordinates become 0 and 1,300. For the y coordinates, you have 650 and 0. So some points in the line, x plus 3y is 1,300. So from this you take the x coordinates to be 1,000 and 700. And that of the y coordinates is 1,000, 100 and 200. Let us represent it graphically. So here I have marked it or plotted it on the graph. This forms a straight line and intersects at one point in the x-axis. So we have finished solving the second problem of this exercise. In my next video, you will find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos.